Hey everyone, welcome back to your own channel PTE World. Today, we are diving into some interesting language tips. We'll be looking at how to choose the right words to fill in the blanks in a sentence, and why some options are better than others. Let's get started. Here's our first sentence. Modern technology has enhanced the study of language by making its sounds observable in greater detail and with greater accuracy than ever before. But the thoughts associated with those sounds remain problematic. Currently developing techniques, processes, modes, facilities of brain imaging are allowing us to observe for the first time which parts of the brain are active in different circumstances. The correct option here is techniques. Why? Because techniques refers to specific methods or ways of doing something, which fits the context of brain imaging methods. For example, new techniques in surgery have made operations safer. Now, let's look at why the other options don't work. First is processes, which refers to a series of actions or steps taken to achieve a particular end. For example, the processes involved in manufacturing a car are complex. This is too broad and doesn't specifically refer to the methods of brain imaging. Second is modes, which refers to a manner or way of doing something. For example, different modes of transportation include cars, buses, and trains. This is less specific than techniques. Third is facilities, which refers to buildings, services, or equipment provided for a particular purpose. For example, the facilities at the new sports complex are state-of-the-art. This doesn't fit grammatically in this context. Next up, they do not, however, show experiences themselves, which always remain hidden, hideous from public observation. The correct option is hidden. Hidden is the past participle of hide, used here as an adjective to describe something that is not visible or observable. For example, the treasure was hidden under the old oak tree. Why not the others? First is hiding, which is the present participle form of hide. For example, the cat is hiding under the bed. This form doesn't fit grammatically, as it suggests an ongoing action, not a state. Second is hide, which is the base form of the verb. For example, I will hide the gift in the closet. This doesn't fit grammatically, as it is not used as an adjective. Third is hideous, which means extremely ugly or unpleasant. For example, the monster in the movie was hideous. This doesn't fit contextually as it describes appearance, not the state of being unseen. Moving on, there is a sense in which each of us knows what we are thinking, besides, so, therefore, although, we may not always have a good way of verbalizing it. The correct option is although. Although is used to introduce a contrast or exception. For example, although it was raining, we decided to go for a walk. Why not the others? First is besides, which is used to add information. For example, I don't want to go out tonight. Besides, it's raining. This doesn't introduce a contrast, which is needed in the sentence. Second is so, which is used to indicate a result or consequence. For example, it was raining, so we stayed indoors. This doesn't fit the context of contrasting ideas. Third is therefore, which is used to indicate a logical conclusion. For example, he was late, therefore he missed the bus. This doesn't fit the context of contrasting ideas. Next, through some other overt action, a face, facing, facial, faced, expression or gesture, perhaps from which that person's thoughts may be inferred. The correct option is facial. Facial is an adjective describing something related to the face. For example, her facial expression showed she was surprised. Why not the others? First is face, which is a noun. For example, she has a kind face. This doesn't fit grammatically, as it needs to describe the type of expression. Second is facing, which is the present participle form of face. For example, he is facing a difficult decision. This doesn't fit grammatically, as it suggests an action, not a description. Third is faced, which is the past participle form of face. For example, she faced many challenges. This doesn't fit grammatically, as it suggests a completed action, not a description. Finally, or from imagining what we ourselves would be thinking of, on, in, about, similar circumstances. The correct option is in. In is used to indicate a situation or condition. For example, in such situations, it's important to stay calm. Why not the others? First is of, which is used to indicate belonging or relating to something. For example, the color of the sky is blue. This doesn't fit the context of indicating a situation or condition. Second is on, which is used to indicate a surface or a topic. For example, the book is on the table. This doesn't fit the context of indicating a situation or condition. Third is about, which is used to indicate a topic or subject. For example, we talked about the weather. This doesn't fit the context of indicating a situation or condition. That's it for today's language tips. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. See you next time.